All right, we got the 144-piece paint splash tattoos. These would be great for kids. Could also be used in like maybe some sort of goodie bag with treats and stuff like that. But these are great. Kids love them. There is a total of 16 styles, 9 sheets of each style. So this is an example of like one style. You've got 9 sheets of that. Then you got this as an example of another style. This is another style, and so on and so forth. There's a lot of there's sort of a similar vibe in that they're all these paint splash vibes, but they're all a little bit different, maybe a little bit different colors, a little bit different splash. I'm gonna go ahead. Let's do one of them on me. You're gonna watch me do the first one I've ever done. So there's a film. There's a film I just peeled off the top, and I'm gonna set this on my arm right here. And as I set that, I'm gonna come in here with the wet rag, and I'm gonna press it down, maybe massage it a little bit, but I'm gonna press it down for, let's do 15 seconds, and we'll see what happens. Maybe do a little bit of massaging. And let's do 5 seconds more. We're gonna see what happens here. You're gonna watch me see what happens here. All right, now I'm gonna peel it off. There we go. So as you can see, it's sweet, it works. That actually worked a lot better than I was expecting. That's crazy. I'm a little kid at heart, so I like it too. So highly recommend.